Welcome to my first learning video on TVET channel. In this video, I will discuss about the theme of technology with 7 sub-themes using the question and answer model. For the sub-theme that I will first discuss is about technological revolution in the post-COVID-19. As we know, coronavirus or COVID-19 pandemic impacting big tech in United States. Many tech worlds struggle with COVID-19. Emergent winner and loser company like Zoom, Slack, and Postmates as a winner, and the other like cinema, air flight, travel industry, supply chain industry are breakdown. Cause a current digital revolution in accounting and finance sector. Make a big data is a solution for fintech sector. In Australia, emerged term Coronanomics, where information and communication technology as a backbone. Ways of working called change post-coronavirus, it means outsource or in-house. Disruption to global supply chains. Manufacturing sector disrupted by artificial intelligence. Robotics might be preferred due to less human contact. Push for more local manufacturing to make itself product, of course affect global trade. Meanwhile, in South Korea, local startup combating COVID-19 with latest technology. South Korea has been praised for its use of technology to stop the spread of the coronavirus, and local startups are coming up with the new idea to help people find masks to get checked for the virus and work efficiency from home hour, such as by using apps like kiosk. People enter their mobile number and their birth year into the kiosk application, and system send them a message when their masks are ready for pickup. So services people to buy protective face masks don't have to wait in long lines in front of pharmacies. Another example, Korean startup company has developed an app called EasyDoc, which directs them to the nearest COVID-19 screening center and lets them fill in medical questionnaire in advance to save time. Asking patients about their medical condition takes up a lot of time filling out the questionnaire. Almost the same, other startup companies in South Korea are also contributing to the fight against COVID-19 by creating an online map services that locate pharmacies where masks are available on offering an online services to local business that encourage employees to work from home. Next, we will see how is China using tech to fight the COVID-19. With many cities locked down and folks stuck at home, China online business have been booming. For example, Ping and Good Doctor apps has been used 1 billion times since the pandemic began. By providing online consultation for patients, another company like Tencent has gained millions of new gamers. Or TikTok has seen more than 15 million students. COVID-19 lockdown are also transforming the education technology sector, and over 600,000 teachers live stream classes. Dr. Xian Jiwei from National University of Singapore said, the crisis itself probably creates some interesting scenario because when a lot of people change their activity, you will see the companies will also shift. At the same time, China is deploying technology on the front line of the COVID-19 outbreak. A close contact detector app lets citizens check their risk of catching the virus. It's made possible by China's surveillance network with use facial and gait recognition software and mobile phone tracking. Dr. Xian Jiwei said again, the big data in this case could be used at the individual level, so you can find out people traveling history across China and also from China to any other countries. This system is also being used to ensure that citizens obey self-quarantine order. In hospital, robots are being used for tasks such as disinfection, temperature taking, and meal deliveries to lessen the risk of cross-infection. The company UABot says it took them 2 weeks to develop this artificial intelligence technology. Professor Paul Evans from Institute of Asia Research University of British Columbia said the use of the artificial intelligence for both tracking and therapy purposes has been significant. China has already been moving down that path toward a technology pattern, and this is just going to accelerate it in probably some dramatic ways. Dan Wang, analyzed economist intelligence unit, said, after this epidemic, some of the habits will stay. It will be permanent for companies like online cooking, online education, digital services, and gaming. Those companies gain big, and I think even after COVID-19, people will continue to subscribe a lot more than before. Question clue number 2. Are Industry 4.0 in practice? Industry 4.0 in practice, of course, upgrade of existing machine. The product will control the manufacturing process. You can imagine smart combination of customer order as master data, production order as ERP, virtual product as MES to be a real product ready on shop floor. Connected machine from different manufacturer and optimized testing process. Remote service device independent. The connected factory has arrived. Mass production for individual part. Autonomous manufacturing and high speed. New insight, new business model, and new partnerships. Like Future Manufacturing 4.0, Toyota Factory make innovation by using artificial intelligence, robotics, and big data. Outline its characteristic Industry 4.0 depend on 9 pillars. For the first pillar is virtual reality. It means computer-generated complex digital environment, digital world colliding with our physical world. We can travel to anywhere in heartbeat. Design, visualize, showcase, demonstrated, customize your product without a physical prototype. We can explore the unknown like ever before. The unimaginable could come true. Technology has finally caught up with our imagination. And the second pillar, additive manufacturing. For thousands of years, manufacturing has about removing excess material until we got to the final shape. 3D printing will transform manufacturing. We can start with nothing and build from bottom up, melt layer upon layer. Traditionally, we join pieces together to form complex structure. 3D printing provides maximum design efficiency, less joint, reduce weak point with unlimited design flexibility. You could dream it, then you could print it. And number 3, Internet of Things. Made up of omnipresent network, connected computer, ubiquitous, sensor on everything intelligent on the periphery of network. Connected transportation, defined system, agriculture, infrastructure, retail and businesses, logistic utility, bank and insurance, oil, gas and meaningful services, healthcare, home and residence, everything, tracking behavior for real-time marketing, enhanced situational awareness, sensor-driven decision analytics, process optimization, instantaneous response in complex autonomous system, optimized resources consumption. Number 4 is the big data. Data management, repeatable process to build standard for data quality. data mining, discover pattern, filter noise, identify useful infos, predictive analytic, statistical algorithm, and machine learning to identify future outcomes. In memory analytic, analyze data from system to gain immediate insight. Number 5, cloud computing. It means building intelligence using analytic, automating marketing, customer services, support, and order status. Implement vendor managed inventory. It means VMI to give real-time order status cloud-based resource management to manage manufacturing globally. Number 6, advanced simulation. It means visualization and forecasting. Simulation is the key to cost control. Simulation drives innovation. It helps us in making the best decision. Number 7, autonomous robot. Robot can think, can act, and can react. Number 8, universal integration. It means allow communication between different systems, continuous identification during the production and the logistic process with RFID. Machinery from across production line and beyond can be linked up, remote component documentation on the vehicle to ensure everything runs autonomous and smoothly. And for the last, cyber security. It means Industry 4.0 is not possible without connection. Which are we prepared? The question number 3 is green technology. It's simple. It means renewable energy as issue climate change. And for question number 4 is innovative multimedia. It means for presentation purposes or advertising needs. For example, product in my country, Indonesia, we have SNAPP. There are multimedia innovation application projects, which one makes mobile apps more interactive for customer needs. Question number 5 is mobile application. It means as issue are developing mobile apps, native web or hybrid. It means combination with mobile app and native web. Question number 6 is about virtual-based industry practices. It means as issue are Microsoft who use virtual reality headset to train worker. Its example. It means simulation-based virtual reality for training purposes. And the question, last question, number 7, skill revolution for engineering and technology student. I will give your answer. Of course, there may be change from old model education, transforming to education 4.0. Although information and communication technology as a backbone, students still need basic skill, which one every engineer should have, like cognitive flexibility, negotiation, services orientation, judgment and decision making, emotional intelligence, coordinating with other, people management, creativity, critical thinking, and for the last, complex problem solving.